Hello class, hopefully we have everything done for week 1 of November, which was November 4th through the 10th, I do believe, maybe the 11th, 4th through the 10th. Yes. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to our November 11th through the 17th assignments. Now we do have 2 videos to watch this week, so after you view your first video, make sure you watch our Animoto video as well. Alright. And today we're going to go ahead and do our Verbs slideshow, which can be found under the Forms and Documents folder for the correct week. Just a little recap of what we went over last week. We went over what is a noun. It's a name of a person, place, or thing. So there's countless nouns. Some examples of those is boy, school, truck, home, and dog. We also went over what is a pronoun. Pronouns are words that are used in place of a noun. And they include he, me, she, it, they. And then this week we're going to go over some action verbs. So there's different types of verbs, but today we're just going to go over action verbs, and that's what we learned about in Chapter 3 reading. Action verbs show action. So they tell us what the subject, which is often the noun of a sentence, is doing. So here are several action verbs that we have: answer, bathing, breaking, build, buckling, brushing. There's just countless ways that we can, or countless words that can express action. Climb, pull, chat. I know in class some of you guys do like to chat. That's a verb as well. And here's what to expect for next week. We're going to learn about prepositions. And we want to make sure that you guys are completing all of your flipped classroom assignments. And again, our overall goal for our November is to work towards identifying all the different words in a sentence. And then we have our assignments for this week. Now, I do want to point out one thing for you guys on the assignments that we have this week. In addition to your reading, the slideshow that you can watch on your own that I just presented in this video, Schoolhouse Rock videos, and we also have an Animoto video that you can find at the beginning week on our classroom page, and we also have a No Red Ink assignment. Now I have 2 links here for you. We have the No Red Ink actual website, and we have Symbaloo. So I just want to show you guys that real quick. So on our website, our classroom site, you can go to the week of 11th through the 17th, where you find our assignments. Your main video will be right here. You have your Animoto video, and then we also have our assignments for No Red Ink. Now, if you do take a look at our Symbaloo site, you have our main websites are right here. We have our classroom site, we have a Google Classroom site, and our No Red Ink. So you guys can click on that and go ahead and complete that assignment. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.